Tonight, as our nation struggles to protect public health and open the economy, a grim reminder of what's at stake and already lost. The U.S. coronavirus death toll now rising above 100,000. This map tracing the outbreak and its fatal, explosive spread across the country. With roughly 1.7 million confirmed cases, a new poll finds 49% of Americans would get a COVID-19 vaccine if developed.
You probably need to get to probably 40% of people taking the vaccine. If you look at vaccination rates, about 45% of people seek the flu vaccine.
With Americans anxious to get back to work,
everybody needs to survive.
Two new studies reveal insight into the virus. It's believed up to 80% of coronavirus cases may be asymptomatic, those not showing symptoms shedding the virus for a shorter period of time. Doctors say the true indicator of trouble are spikes in hospitalization rates.
This is going to get bad if we aren't careful.
In Alabama, Dr. Michael Sag ran out of ICU beds 2 days ago.
We're left with the same type of concern that New York had, say, 6 weeks ago, 8 weeks ago, only we don't have the capacity that New York has or the resources to respond.
The ongoing struggle comes as Disney laid out plans to reopen July 11th, similar to those offered by Six Flags, calling for temperature checks, masks, and social distancing in line. With some restaurants taking reservations, tonight the CDC advises reduce seating and partitions between guests. Sam Brock is in South Beach.
On Ocean Drive in Miami Beach, restaurants for the first time today can serve diners on site, spreading out into the street to make it happen. But with hotels and beaches not opening for another week, the question is, will diners even come?
Across the country in Vegas, casinos are rolling the dice on opening their doors next week. While around Los Angeles today, some shops got back to business for the first time in months.
To get to Nordstrom's, yeah.
The nation's second largest school district is working on its plan to bring children back to campus in LA. It could include 16 kids to a classroom, children eating their lunch at their own desks, every child being given one ball to play alone, and staggered school days.
As our country moves forward, there is heartbreak in looking back. Cody Lister was so much more than just a number in today's grim milestone of lives lost.
Cody was the most kind, giving, compassionate, loving person you would ever meet.
The pain from one family, part of the collective grief of a nation. Miguel Almaguer, NBC News, Los Angeles.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.